Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through the simple process on how you can easily log into your Halifax car insurance account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you are an existing customer for Halifax car insurance, then follow the steps. Open up a web browser and in the web address bar that pops up at the top of the screen, type in www.halifax.co.uk/insurance/car-existing-customers.html. You'll find a link in the description box below if you want to log into your Halifax car insurance account. Simply click on that link, and once you do that, you'll end up in this page over here. Scroll a bit down and go through the information. If you are an existing customer, you can make changes to your car insurance policy online whenever it's convenient to you. Click on the Sign into My account at the bottom if you are an existing customer. If you're not registered online yet, you can click on Register Online My Account and follow the instructions. Since we are logging into our car insurance account in today's video, let's click on the Sign into My Account button. This will open up a new tab. Here, you'll be able to see your login area popping up in the display. Start off by typing in your email address and your password that is associated with your Halifax account. Make sure to type in your credential correct. Once you type in your email address, head over to the next field. Now, you'll need to type in your password correct on the next field. Make sure to type in your information correct every time you log into your account. In case you don't remember your password and you don't know what to do next, click on Forgotten Your Password link right above the box and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset to a new password. Finally, after you are done typing in your email address and password and you're ready to log in, click the Login button in blue at the bottom. With this, you'll be able to get access to your car insurance account right away. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.